Hi, my name's Michael. I'm a learning specialist here at Lehigh Carbon Community College, and welcome to the Student Success 101 series. Today we're going to be looking at a motivation technique, understanding your deep why. If you're not feeling motivated, well, it happens to all of us, right? And there are lots of strategies to encourage us to get moving again, right? And this is just one of them. So imagine, if you will, you have an assignment or a task for college that you just really don't want to do, right? You're just feeling, I don't want to do this right now. I'm not really that interested in doing this right now. Ask yourself this question. Why? Why do you need to do it? Then ask yourself this question. Why? 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 This goal, you entered college because you have a success vision for yourself, right? And this goal of whying, right, is to recall your deep why, right? This might be the reason why you started this path, right? Or maybe why someone else motivated you in this direction, right? What's your deep why? So let's do an example here, okay? Why do I need to do my math work? I really don't feel like doing my math homework. Why do I need to do it? Well, so I can practice and learn for what I need to know for the class, right? Why do I need to practice and learn what I need to know for this class? Well, so I can pass the next math test. Why do I need to pass the next math test? Well, because I want to pass the math course this term. Why do I need to pass the math course this term? Well, so I can move forward on my degree, right? I can move forward and get my degree. Why do I want to get my degree? So I can have a better chance, at a better career and more opportunities for myself and my family in the future. That's the deep why. Okay, so remember, to try to next time you want to motivate yourself, try doing that deep dive in your why. Sometimes this why can help you get moving again. All right, look for more videos on motivation in this series and reach out to your supports. And keep in mind, here at LCCC, we really do care about your success. Have a good one.